Haka Jingdan ki Nonghikai school ki bla pentep halor ka Jingslem siu ka Tulop amma ka por ka baki deban yo bar ka bala bu eki ha ching e ka bakraw kam tami ki tu ki ba hapsiu ki ram ki sha ki bang kala penlang yu Shillong Mail ban wat ik ching sha nak sorar jala bad yakani layo ban yakran bu swapnil tembe IS Director of School Education hak jing yo alum Kubur chung Shillong Mail layo ching tep ba ki Nonghikai school ki ba kanthop ki Nonghikai school lower primary ka Tulop ka chungki ka badai jog banai kala lengkot kadang syurung hai kini kindiat sngi badai kitayau badang syudap ba ka chingsiu Tulop tamdai ka batikna lakalong hakiwei ki banai ki bladam haka chingwa digani ka chingtem haka chingya na koi kamera office ka wai pat kata hadu bo commissioner and secretary buche mantri haka bakhaddu Shillong Mail layo ban bu jingkli swapnil tembe ubala Kubur ba ki don ki Jingduna hangni hang tai bat ban pentep ban du usnam boladam ka sorga jala ka Thaw committee ka bakarpang naga banta ban khmi bnya alor ka chingpal laj ka Tulom shaboro ki Nonghikai school nagalyang chung ula pentep badai dangshan ba ka sorga jala ka dang sudap ban pelaj ka Tulom kata hadu banai kala lengkot chong ni usnam.
So basically regarding this, since last year what we have done is that there is a dedicated committee at the diesel level and we meet every month to review the releases of different kind of schools. So as you already are aware that there are several types and these are different. So when it comes to the government, it's basically a salary. And as far as government is concerned, government schools are concerned, from the state side, for all the categories we have released up till the month of January. And of course, sometimes there are technical issues because there's those financial systems are online. So maybe because of some issue, because sometimes the change in DDO also, the drawing and dispersing officer also changes. So there are various factors because of which some schools may not have received. But as far as government schools are concerned, we have released everything from the here. And basically, the good part is that now we are reviewing every month. We sit every first week, we sit and we monitor. And in fact, we release in advance. So last year also, there were no issues in terms of this. When it comes to other kind of schools, which are the aided schools, there are different kinds of aid. And then this is basically government giving the aid to the private schools, which is in different forms. This comes in different heads. So generally it is released quarterly at a quarterly basis, and this is released to the school. Of course, we are in some of the, for example, in some of the cases like deficit secondary and deficit higher secondary, we are working out for this present quarter. So we have released, as I said, it is released quarterly. So we have released till December for all kind of aided schools. For this present quarter, which is the last quarter, we are working out. And this will be taken care of shortly. So till December, we have released for every kind of aided school which we have provided. In fact, in some of the cases, we have even released for the fourth quarter as well. And for the remaining things are being worked out, and we will expedite.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka Jingslem. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.